So it cost you something. Now. December 5th, what did I just do with it? So this, January 8th, okay. So that, paid. Okay, so hydro one. We have up till March 30th to use, let's see, a choice of lunch for 2 adults in the restaurant, or 1 round of golf for 2 adults,
Where?
Poplar Valley.
Oh yeah?
So
There.
go up to lunch to include a choice of 1 appetizer, 1 main course, and 1 dessert per person.
Where we that go golfing?
Before March 30th?
Could be a little tricky, buddy, but we could get it in.
Yeah.
Now, what about these? What's paid, what's not paid for this oil? The $1,052.48, was that paid?